Okay, this is another use substitution, and actually the book gave you the substitution to use, and they gave you two different ones to try. And so I'm going to do it two different ways too, because I kind of like that. I would have approached it one way because it's simpler, but the first way they said that let u equal 5x plus 8. Well, if u equals 5x plus 8, then du equals 5 dx, and we only have a dx here, so 1/5 du equals dx. So we'll go over here and we'll substitute in that. So we'll have 1/5 times du over the square root of u, and then we'll factor out that 1/5, and we'll get 1/5 times 1 over the square root of u is u to the negative 1/2, and then du. So now we can integrate, so we have 1/5 times u up by a power of 1 is 1/2 over the new power plus c. And honestly, this might be the way you do it, because it might seem easier. I can bring that 2 up and make 2 over 5. U to the 1/2, u is 5x plus 8, and I just changed the 1/2 back to and plus c, and that's the answer. Now another way to do this is this, and they suggested this, and this is the way I probably would have done it to begin with, but I think this other way may be more apparent to you. So I have dx over the square root of 5x plus 8. Now I'm going to let u equal the square root of 5x plus 8, the whole thing. I'm just going to see. And then so du equals, remember this is a power of 1/2, so we'll get a 2, and then the inside stays the same, but it'll be in the denominator. And then do the derivative too. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible. And then the derivative of 5x plus 8 is just 5 dx. Well, I have a dx over a square root of 5x plus 8. And the only thing different here is this 5 over 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2 over 5, 2 over 5 du equals 1 over the square root of 5x plus 8 dx. I have a dx over the square root of 5x plus 8. So I'll just substitute in 2/5 du for that. And that's pretty slick. Now when I integrate, the integral with respect to u of 2/5 is just 2/5 u plus c. Now substituting back in for u is the square root of 5x plus 8. And there it goes. And I like that way because it's pretty slick. It's a little faster, but it does take a little practice, and there's only problem 12, so I don't know. They did give you those substitutions to try, so that's why I went ahead and gave it to you. The other ones I thought, I didn't give them to you because I figured, well, you could probably figure them out, and they're more apparent. This one, I think it's good to give them to you.